Long ago, in a quiet village beside a great river, the people lived in peace and abundance. The river gave them fish, water for their farms, and life for their children. The villagers believed the river was protected by a powerful spirit known as the river goddess. Every year, the elders offered gifts to the river: fruits, grains, and songs of gratitude. They respected the waters and never took more than they needed. But one year, a greedy new chief rose to power. He laughed at the old traditions and said, "Why should we waste food on a river spirit that no one can see?" The people grew afraid, but they obeyed their chief. That year, no offering was given to the river. Soon, strange things began to happen. The river grew restless. The water turned dark and the fish disappeared. Storms flooded the farms, and the once peaceful river roared like an angry beast. One night, the oldest woman in the village had a dream. The river goddess appeared and said, "Your people have forgotten respect. The river that feeds you must also be honored."
And we are going to drop this exact prompt for ChatGPT. I want to create a short African folktale story with the title below, "The Village That Offended the River Goddess." Now write short audio script for me. Now this is the audio script. I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to take it to 11 labs. Now once I get to 11 labs, I'm just going to pick my desired voice, then I'm going to paste my prompt, then I'm going to click on generate.
A quiet village beside a great river.
So I'll just download the audio, then I'm going to save it. So I'll come back to ChatGPT, then I'm going to drop the next prompt for ChatGPT. So now I said create 3 image prompts for the 3 main characters in 3D pixel style. So I'm just going to send that. I'm just going to copy the 3 main characters. So now this is the last prompt. I will just say create 5 image prompts for this title. It should be in a 3D pixel style. So I'm going to use this to generate my images. Now I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to take it to Whisk to generate all the images. So now once I get to Whisk, I'm just going to generate the images for the main characters. Now this is the first one, so I'll just paste it. So I'll paste the prompt, then send it and let it generate the image for me. So now this is the first one, then I'll just generate the second one. Now we are done generating the second one. I'm just going to generate the last main character prompt. So this is just to make sure we get our consistent characters. So now once I'm done, I'm just going to click on it and drag it to the top. So I'm just going to drag it to this side. This is just to make sure I get my consistent characters. So I'm just going to drag them. I'm going to drag the last one now. So now once I'm done dragging in, what I'm just going to do is to generate the other images. So you can decide to generate one after the other. So I'm using just 5 image prompts for this. So I'm just going to come to this part, click on the extension of Auto Whisk. Then I'm going to select, click on select or then paste. Now I'm going to generate all my images. Now we just generated all our images. So now we're just going to go over to Grok. We're going to go to Grok AI and we are going to animate all these images. Now once we get to Grok AI, you're just going to come to this part where they wrote create videos. Click on it. Then you come to this place and you're going to input all the images that you want to generate. So I'm going to click on animate photos. So now you're just going to select all the images that you want to animate. So now once you are done, you're just going to click on done and it's going to start animating them. So now let's just take a look at what Grok is doing for us. So these are the pictures. So now once you are done, you're just going to download all the videos. So we're just going to download them. So we are going to download them without sound because we already have our audio prompt. So just remove the sound, then we're going to download them. So now once we are done downloading them, we're going to take them to CapCut. Now once you get to CapCut, click on new video, then you are going to select your videos that you've generated from Grok. So we're just going to select all our videos that we generated from Grok. Now you're just going to click on audio, then you're going to click on sound. So we're just going to import our audio that we generated. So let's look for the audio.
Quiet village.
So this is the audio.
Quiet village beside a great river. The people lived in peace and abundance. The river gave them fish, water for their farms, and the villagers believed the river was protected by a powerful spirit known as the river goddess. Every year, the elders offered gifts to.
So now we're just going to adjust the audio a little bit. So we're just going to reduce the speed so that it will align with the exact audio that we have. So we're just going to look for speed, click on the video, look for speed, then you are going to reduce it. So we are going to do this for all the clips so that it will get to the audio. So now we're just going to increase the volume of the audio.
Long ago, in a quiet village beside a great river.
So now that's it. You're just going to export the video. Click on export. You export your video.